Let's in the meantime shift focus as far as when we know of the veteran marathon runner Fauja Singh, 114 years of age, who had completed full marathon at the age of 100 and thus became the oldest person by doing so. Unfortunately died after a hit-and-run incident by an unidentified vehicle that was reported in Punjab's Jalandhar. He was at the age of 114, and Fauja Singh, who was also known as Turban Tornado, had turned 114 on the 1st of April this year and had a total of 9 full marathons in his career spanning 14 years. Of course, as far as expressing grief, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also posted a message. But let's get in a word from Karishma as well. 114 years, Karishma. I mean, this is a milestone in itself. Very unfortunate to say that, in this way, he has passed away.
Well, yes, absolutely, Amita. Very, very unfortunate taking place. Fauja Singh dying at the age of 114. Remember, he finished the 2011 Toronto Waterfront Marathon at the age of 100. He's known for his unwavering determination. He amassed several age group records and continued running competitively until he was 101 years old. In fact, the Punjab Governor Gulab Chand Kataria also expressed his sorrow and called him a symbol of resilience whose loss leaves the state and the world deeply saddened. He was a person who many looked up to for inspiration. He was a role model to many to continue running at the age of 100, 101 is not something that we see easily. So he was someone who was looked up to. So a very unfortunate incident that Fauja Singh passed away in a hit and run incident.
What is being said on part of the police that they are yet to identify as far as what vehicle and who hit him, but what has now been said that he unfortunately passed away in his native Byas village in Punjab's Jalandhar district at the age of 114. As I said, many top leaders who have now been expressing condolences and heartfelt tributes as well have been pouring in, with many calling him as an inspiration. Let's talk about Prime Minister Modi himself, where he said that Fauja Singh ji was extraordinary because of his unique persona and in the manner in which he inspired the youth of India, and very important topic of fitness. He was an exceptional athlete with incredible determination. Pela is passing away. My thoughts are with his family and countless admirers around the world as well. That is Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressing his condolences on the demise of Fauja Singh. As far as when it comes to these developments are concerned, we'll get you more reactions back after a short break.